Welcome to banking terms used every day. 20 essentials, fast and clear. Let's dive in. 1. Bank. A financial institution that takes deposits and provides loans. 2. Deposit. Money you place in the bank for safety and potential interest. 3. Withdrawal. Taking money out of your bank account. 4. Savings account. Designed for saving, typically pays interest. 5. Current account, used mainly by businesses for frequent transactions. 6. Interest, what banks pay on deposits and charge on loans. 7. Loan, money you borrow that must be repaid with interest. 8. Credit, purchasing power provided now, repaid later. 9. Debit, a deduction from your bank account. 10. Check, a written order telling the bank to pay a specific amount. 11. Demand draft, a prepaid instrument for secure money transfers. 12. ATM, a machine for cash withdrawals and other basic banking services. 13. Debit card, pays by deducting money directly from your account. 14. Credit card, lets you borrow up to a limit and repay later. 15. NEFT, electronic transfers between banks processed in batches. 16. RTGS, real-time, high-value fund transfers, settled instantly. 17. IMPS, instant electronic transfers available 24/7. 18. UPI, mobile payments enabling instant bank-to-bank transactions. 19. KYC, verifying a customer's identity before providing services. 20. NPA, a loan where repayments have stopped for a specified time. You've got the basics: accounts, payments, transfers, safety and risk. If this helped, like, subscribe and share to help someone new to banking. Watch our next guide on digital payments. See you there.